Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can take and share meeting notes alongside some other incredible Microsoft Teams meeting features. And as always, I'm going to do it two different ways, the conventional way and the much better way. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Here we are inside my Microsoft Teams calendar. In order to create a meeting, I'm clicking right here. Let's close the options. You can hear my dog in the background. I'm adding a title to this meeting, adding people in. These are all very straightforward procedures, right? And for meeting notes, I'm clicking Add an Agenda. And look, this is a brand new agenda for Microsoft Teams. We have the name of the agenda, we have meeting notes here. So, for example, let me add some talking points for this meeting. All right, project status updates, team goals, team alignment. And if I want to, I can assign people to these as well. So I'm going to add Alex, and it's going to request permission. I'm giving permission like so. And let's share notify. So I can also click insert, and I can add tables, checklists, bulleted list, code, tasks, all sorts of good stuff. All right, let me add a progress tracker. And let me scroll down. And my meeting notes, the reason you're here, are right there. And if I want to create some tasks, I can click Add Task. Now, let's join the meeting and let's see what all of this looks like inside the meeting. And these just pop up automatically the second we join the meeting. It's right here. And you can see all the things we created for the agenda before the meeting. Right, our progress tracker, our meeting notes, and our agenda. Now let's add some notes here. This is what it looks like. And people can collaborate on these in real time. So let's add a task. This is the name for it. And I'll assign it to Miriam. I'm using her account right now. Let's set a due date for it. Let's say the 30th. And so as the meeting is going on, you can create tasks, take notes, and again, other people can work on these as well. Now, let's leave the meeting and let's see what it looks like after the meeting. To access the agenda once again, I'll just enlarge the meeting. And this is what it looks like. Look, the meeting notes we took, and the task we created is also right here. And if we go into Task by Planner, you can see the task we just created is here inside the weekly team meeting. And we can click on it. And if we click Meeting Notes, it fires up right inside Microsoft 365. So that about wraps it up for the conventional way. That was perfectly fine, but why should you settle for fine? Let me show you how you can create much better meeting agendas that you can also integrate goals, tasks, recognition, and other incredible features into using the best performance management solution for Microsoft Teams, Teamflect. Here we are inside the calendar once again, but I have somewhere better for us to go to. Let's go into the Teamflect dashboard. All I need to do is click Teamflect, and if you don't have it downloaded, just go to Apps and download it. And I'm clicking Teamflect, and look at this dashboard. Right, all my upcoming meetings are right here, and Teamflect draws this data straight from your Outlook calendar, so you don't have to do anything manually. So this time, let's pick a one-on-one meeting. This is my weekly check-in with Adele. And if this is a recurring meeting, you can see all the previous meetings right here. And if you click on them, you can access their meeting agendas, notes, the tasks you created in them, everything. And right here, you have some helpful tips and resources. These are catered specifically for your one-on-one meetings and the employees inside that one-on-one meeting. Now, let's explore the agenda. Here we have the talking points. You can manually add some talking points, or you can go into our talking point suggestions. Let me add one. And if you don't cover one of these talking points, they will show up as suggestions in a future meeting. And you can lock them up or have them repeat or delete them. Now, we can attach files right here by clicking Add Attachment. We can create tasks by clicking New Task. Now, let's give one. And this is the task title. Let's pick a due date. So this is for Tuesday. 4 p.m. is fine. Sorry, Thursday. All right, related goal, and let's create. Done, the task is ready. And I can give feedback as well. I can either give feedback or ask for feedback. And here I have some beautiful feedback templates that we're not going to go into right now. We can recognize Adele by clicking New Recognition and picking one of our badges. And let's give her a message and send recognition. And here we have meeting notes, and we have two options here: shared meeting notes for everyone to see and private meeting notes just for you. And on the right, we can see Adele's goals, and this is for all of her goals and goal completion rates. Same thing for tasks, Adele's reviews, the latest survey she filled out, and recognitions she received. Now, this is the meeting agenda that you can see before the meeting. Now let's join the meeting and let's see what it looks like inside it. We're clicking Join Now. And to fire up Teamflect inside an ongoing meeting, all you have to do is go to Apps and click Teamflect. And let's click Save. And Teamflect just instantly fires up. And this is far more detailed. It has lots of incredible features inside the meeting. We have the talking points right here. The task is right here. And you can complete it right here inside the meeting. And shared and private meeting notes are right here as well. Let's log some notes in, and we can add a talking point right here as well. Or we can click See Goals and see all of their goals inside a meeting. And we can filter them according to quarter or date here as well. But having these goals visually on screen during a meeting is great, especially if you are just checking in on goal progression with your direct reports. Now, let's leave the meeting. Let's say the meeting is finished. And we have our agenda, once again, the same beautiful agenda. And I'm clicking right here to send a meeting summary. I'm selecting participants and clicking Send. And we just sent a meeting summary. Or we can click Share and copy the link to the meeting. Or we can just click right here and print this meeting. Now that is how you run a meeting inside Microsoft Teams. That about brings us to the end. What did you think? Are there any other Microsoft Teams features you want to learn about? Just let us know in the comments. Guys, we release helpful Microsoft Teams content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And if you want to schedule a free demo with the best performance management solution for Microsoft Teams, Teamflect, just click the link in the description. Bye-bye.